An electron of mass m with an initial velocity v is equals to v naught I cap enters an electric field E is equals to minus E naught I cap at t is equals to 0 if lambda naught is its de Broglie wavelength initially, then its de Broglie wavelength at time t is the initial wavelength is lambda naught equals to h upon mv naught. At time t, the de Broglie wavelength lambda is equals to h upon mv, which is equals to h upon m v naught plus e e naught t by n. Then after dividing this equation by h, we get lambda is equals to 1 by mv naught by h would be 1 by lambda naught plus e e naught t by h. It would be h. So then we take the LCM and we get lambda naught h divided by h plus e e naught lambda naught t. Then again we divide this equation by h and we get lambda is equals to lambda naught 1 plus e e e e naught t lambda naught by h, and here lambda naught by h is equals to 1 by mv naught, and hence this equation will be equal to this. So the correct answer would be option 1. Yes, option 1 is the right answer.